Hi, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Jessica.
Welcome to Pronounce. Lesson 34. Okay, Jessica, make this sound. Good. Good. Now, as you say this sound, see if you can drop the sides of your tongue down. Instead of using the top of your tongue behind your teeth, when you move the sides of your tongue down, your tongue will move up and you will start using the tip of your tongue and not the flat top of your tongue. Like this. Can you try that? Good. Yeah, keep your tongue behind your teeth. And make sure that your tip of your tongue is actually touching the top of your mouth. So say these are your teeth, your tongue, this is the tip of your tongue should go up and touch behind your teeth. Is the tip of your tongue touching the top of your mouth?
Yes.
Try again. Jessica, this is the sound. Good. Well done. What you need to do is move your tongue back to the middle of your mouth and lower your tongue a little so that it doesn't touch the roof of your mouth. So say this sound, and as you're saying the sound, move your tongue back to the middle and down. Again? Good. This is the sound that you're making. Good. Move your tongue forward to this sound. Good. And back to this sound. When you make, good, that's really good. When you make that sound, make sure that the sides of your tongue, you can kind of feel them against your teeth. About a third of the way back in your tongue should be up against your top teeth. So you should be able to feel the sides of your tongue touching against your teeth. That's it. That's it. Say this sound again. Good. And this sound. That's it. That's correct. Well done. Excellent.